How you doing, Officer Delore?
Hi.
You see, when I stopped you, you were at the liquor store, right?
Yeah, before, yeah. I'm on the phone with my boyfriend.
All right. Is everything okay?
Yeah, we're just talking.
All right. You gotta stop pulling off into like dark places at night like this because it's a little bit suspicious. You know, I mean, just sitting here like that. You sure you're okay? All right. Same issues as last time. All right. Take a step out of the car.
She's got white claws in the passenger seat. They're open. Put the phone down.
All right. Where are they? In the passenger seat?
Yeah, they're in the box. There's one open.
All right. Come here. Who is it? Shannon. Shannon. All right. So what happened?
No, we're just gonna fight again.
Okay.
I don't wanna leave him. I don't wanna be with him anymore.
Okay.
He just cheating at me.
Okay. Did you guys get into like an argument or something?
Yeah, we were at the bowling alley and this girl was there
Okay.
and we just got in a huge fight again.
All right.
Same thing.
Were you drinking over there?
No, I had one drink.
You had one drink?
One drink, yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
Okay.
And we had literally one drink and there was this girl over there and I just didn't like that she was there. And
Okay. So basically the same issue we had when you were in the liquor store sitting there.
same thing.
We're going through that again. So for this time you got an open container of alcohol sitting right there in the passenger seat. So
Is there anything else in the car, man?
No.
obviously something's going on. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
So just to quell my suspicion to make sure you're okay to drive. Okay? You know the English alphabet,
Yeah.
right? All right.
Yeah.
I want you to recite the alphabet starting with E and ending with X.
Okay.
Go ahead.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, X, T, O, Z.
I'm going to give you another shot, okay? Starting with E and ending with X.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, R, H, I, X, I, M, N, O, P, Q, R, X, I, M, N, O, P.
All right. It's 189 quarters. I'll be testing. Okay. Shannon, let's go over here where it's a little bit level and we're out of the way of my lights and everything. I'm going to put you through a couple tests, okay? Just to make sure you're okay to drive. All right? You under the care of a doctor or anything like that?
Yeah.
What are you under the care of a doctor for? It's in your, okay.
Yeah.
Have you taken it today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep,
All right.
this morning.
What medication is it?
I promise I would not lie about that.
Okay. No, I'm not saying you are. I just got to make sure you're okay to drive.
No, I had.
Okay. Here, come over here.
I went to the hospital a couple days ago. Everything's in my backpack. Everything's in the car.
All right. But I mean, you're being honest with me with taking the medications
like
and everything
all
like that.
Yes, like all the.
Okay.
And then I have everything all under that.
Okay. All right. Listen. Try to stay calm for me, okay? Because I got to put you through a couple tests. All right. Other than see a doctor for anything else?
Yeah, I went to the hospital like a couple days ago. It's all in my purse. Everything.
Okay.
Yes.
But like, have you had any major surgeries, anything like that?
Yeah. So I broke my arm. That's a scar.
Okay.
All that I had. Like everything, all my tendons broke and stuff like that.
Okay, anything that would affect your balance or anything like that?
I don't know.
Okay. All right. So, would you agree to go through a couple of the tests just to make sure you're okay to drive?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So the first test, I want you to stand with your feet together, toes and heels touching. Keep your arms down at your side, okay? I want you to stare at the tip of my finger. All right. See the tip of my finger? All right. I want you to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. Okay? Keep staring at the tip of my finger, okay? All right, keep staring at the tip of my finger, all right? Okay. All right. So you see this line right here? I want you to put your left foot on that line, okay? And put your right foot in front of it with the heel of your right foot touching the toe of your left foot. Okay? Touching the heel. Touching the toe. Your heel of your right foot. All right? Keep your arms down on your side. I want you to stay in that position while I explain the test, okay? Don't start until I tell you to. Okay? So you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps, counting out at 1, 2, 3. On your 9th step, I'm only doing 3. You're going to keep that lead foot planted on the line. Take a series of small steps, turn around, and do 9 heel-to-toe steps back.
Alright, so third?
What's that?
You said third?
9. 9 heel-to-toe steps. Okay? I'll tell you when to start, okay? Go ahead. You alright? Okay. Alright, so the next test I'm going to do is called the one-leg stand, okay? Put your feet together, arms down at your side. Now with the leg of your choice, don't start until I tell you to start though, okay? Just listen to my instructions. With the leg of your choice, you're going to pick it up approximately 6 inches off the ground. Counting out loud, 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, all while staring at the tip of your toe. You understand the directions? You're going to go until I tell you to stop, okay? I'll tell you when to start. Go ahead.
1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000.
Keep going.
6 1,000, 7 1,000, 8 1,000, 9 1,000, 10 1,000, 11 1,000.
Done? Okay, alright. Shannon, do me a favor, turn around. Placing you under arrest for driving while suspicion of driving while intoxicated. Okay.
Copy.
And try to make these so they're not. You have really tiny wrists, so gotta make sure they don't tighten up on you. All right.
How old you say you are, young lady?
21.
What do you need out of your car, other than your phone and house keys? You need your purse? Okay. Anything else? Your purse, your phone charger? Okay.
Well, obviously, you don't have any pockets in here or anything like that, right?
Nothing.
Okay. All right. So when we get over there, I'm going to read you your Miranda rights, okay? I just got to read them from a card. That way, you know, we do them verbatim. Okay. We're going to go over here on this side.
22 quarters. Start a hook for a.
Shannon, is the car registered to you? I forget.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Copy. This is Yoro.
Yeah, have them fax it down. It's the aura.
And can you fax it all down, please? Copy. Will do.
So what's gonna happen?
Well, right now we're going to go back. And I got a couple things I got to ask you and everything like that, all right? And then your car's going to get towed right now, okay? Hold on, all right?
What's gonna happen, like, because of my phone and, like, my
Well,
boyfriend?
do you have your phone?
No.
We can grab your phone.
I'm just, like, nervous because, like, I don't stay at my mom's house and, like, I've been staying with my boyfriend.
All right, hold on one second, okay? You have the right to remain silent and refuse to answer any questions. Anything you say may be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to consult with an attorney at any time and have him present before and during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you if you so desire prior to any questioning. A decision to waive these rights is not final. You may withdraw your waiver whenever you wish, either before or during questioning. Do you understand your rights? Okay. So, we're going to grab your phone and everything like that, and it's not like you're going to jail right now. Once we get through all of our tests, you'll be able to call someone to come and pick you up, okay?
I don't have anyone that can come pick me up.
Well, we can figure that out, all right?
Figure it out.
I just want to know what's going on.
All right.
What's your first name, young lady?
Shannon.
I'm Sergeant Hickman. How are you, other than this right now? How much did you really have to drink? You didn't just have that White Claw. What else were you drinking tonight?
We went to the bowling alley tonight.
So you had some drinks at the bowling alley? Yeah, okay.
I don't know, like, there's a lot of things that, like, happened.
Sure, so you were upset tonight.
I was just stressed out because my boyfriend has been talking to this girl. And
All right, so it's bothering you.
I think he's cheating on me.
Okay, so you just drank a little bit tonight? Beers and White Claws or that type of stuff? Well, how many did you think you had? Like 4 or 5?
Like, probably, like, 2 White Claws and maybe 2 beers.
2 White Claws and 2 beers. Okay.
Do you have the keys or no?
I don't have any keys.
Okay. Shannon, where would the keys be? Would they be in your purse or would they be in the center console?
It's the American Force lanyard.
American Force lanyard, okay.
All right. Sit tight, okay? Yeah, medication.
I know.
Right before, too, so we might be calling it DUI. So I'm
That's-
going to want to get her back and get her on the box as soon as possible.
That's what she was telling me.